Today we're going to be shooting a few short clips for one of our resale clothing clients with our model Maria. We're just going to the studio now to set up. In professional glamour, fashion or glossy photography and filming, in my opinion it's 90% about getting the right lighting. Maria, if you could just go through to wardrobe, that'd be great. So whether you've got the most beautiful model in the sexiest clothes in the most glamorous location, if you haven't got the right lighting setup, it's always going to look amateurish and cheap. So whether it's a tropical beach or an industrial site or even here in the studio, you really want to make sure you've got the right lighting setup for the job. It's the F&V X300 LED light. It's a flat LED unit measuring 355mm square, 85mm deep, and it's actually really light, weighing in under 2 kilograms. When you're thinking about buying professional equipment, you really want to know that you're buying something that's going to last the distance. And the F&V X300 light feels really robust and tough. It's made out of a one-piece impact-resistant casing. And it has all the fixtures and fittings feel really robust and tough. They're not going to break. It's light and really easy to use, and it just means I can go and get the job done. Put that up on the stand. I'm looking for a really soft focus on the lights. Luckily, the F&V X300 LED comes with a diffuser. So that means I can just pop this on very quickly and have the light ready. So I'll just put the second light up here. Now you can see on the back of this light I've got a dimmer switch here. But if I take this off, what's great about it is that it has a remote control facility. So I can add a cable in here, and if I was wanting to hang the light up from the ceiling and run a cable down, I could immediately have a great remote control for my kits. Now for this shoot I'm actually using a very simple 3-head lighting kit, and I don't need the remote control facility, but it's great to know I have it. So let's get this thing started. Dave, can you give me a hand? Thanks. If you wouldn't mind just moving that last light a bit further back, I think we'll be ready. The great thing about the F&V X300 LEDs is the softness of the light and the colour temperature. They've also got a really nice wide spread of the beam. I think it's about 65 degrees, so it's perfect for this kind of lighting. And look to me. Yeah, that's great. Let's sit up. And if you could just do the last shot, so you're doing your makeup and a little bit of makeup, and then you look at me as if you're really surprised. Just slowly like this. That's great. I think we've got it. Thanks very much, Maria. So as you can see, the X300s are really great in the studio, but let me just show you what they look like on location. Maria, if you'd like to just go and stand over there, you stand on the box, just fix this light. Yeah, Dave, if you could just move to your right a little bit. Perfect, there we go. You think so? Great, and maybe turn around slowly. So Maria, if you could look over there and back into the camera, perfect. So you can see the great thing about the X300s is that if the mood takes you and you want to go outside, you can just whack a battery onto the back of the light, and within minutes you can be out here and shooting. Go crazy, hands up in the air and in your hair. That's perfect. That's great. In your hair. Yep, keep going. And lean down to kiss the camera. That's perfect.